right now you recognize it, no? Right now you recognized it. I didn't do anything special. The same way, again and again, ask yourself, am I aware? There'll be a pause, a silence. You'll find your answer. You'll be aware. Now stay there. Stay there. I already explained this to you. You will stumble and fumble. You'll come back to the world of thoughts and ideas and images and feelings. You will get lost in the drama. Again, you take that step back. Again, stay there. Stay there. You will have to make this effort with open eyes. Closed-eyed meditation can only calm these thoughts and feelings and perceptions and sensations for a temporary period of time. But that calming does not give you the answer to the question, who am I? It does not give you the answer to the question, how do I wipe out this dust so that I can see the sun? It does not give you the realization that Jagat is mithya, and that is why I should not get caught up in that. Yes? You have to come to that realization that the peace that I am thirsting for is really already inside. It is that knowingness. It is that awareness. Again and again come to the knower. Again and again come to the one who's aware. Even when you are gossiping, you will notice that the mind is gossiping through the lips, but there is this knower behind, observing the gossiper. Even when you are fighting, even when you are angry, you will notice there is this knower who knows this anger. Yeah, I'm telling you all the volatile situations. So the easy situations are very easy then. Yeah, come back again and again to the knower, again and again to the knower. Yeah, you practice. No point asking me questions without practicing now.